How to fix Twitch error 2000 on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quickly resolve this network error on Twitch. First, open your quick panel by swiping down from the top of your screen, and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around. Sometimes a simple network switch is all it takes to fix the error. After that, if that does not work, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off to temporarily reset your network connection. From there, reopen Twitch and check if the error is gone. At this point, if it persists, go to your home screen and long press on the Twitch icon, then tap the Info or I button. In the next step, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files. Following this, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then confirm to completely close the app. Once done, go to your Android settings and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings completely. Finally, long press on the power button and tap Restart to reboot your device. Once back on, open Twitch and the error 2000 should now be fully resolved. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix Twitch error 2000, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.